As per the activities part of Azadi ka Amrut Mahotsav, Technopark has engaged Kerala State Horticultural Mission for doing some activities inside the campus. Arka Vertical Garden structure, designed and developed by the ICAR Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Bengaluru, under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticultural Scheme.
Peculiarity of this structure is that it can be moved to anywhere. There are 4 cast nylon wheels so that it can be accommodated wherever you can have sunshine. The main aim is to produce safe to eat vegetables in your own house using your own time and leisure. So we are going to instill in the coming generations that you can build up a safe to eat vegetables in your own home, which includes both hortitherapy, pleasure as well as knowledge.
Cultivating nutritional food in minimal spaces is the message Technopark trying to give. The garden structure is fixed at the Technopark Nila building. Vasanth Varada, Assistant General Manager, Customer Relationship Technopark, inaugurated the function. Abhilash D.S, Head of Administration's Technopark, Geethakumari, Assistant Director Agriculture and other officials also were present.